What is going on, everyone? It's Gia here representing JiasWorld, and we're back with another epic unboxing. And it's really special because a friend of mine who lives on the west side of the state of Michigan sent me an awesome print of his artwork. He was doing a giveaway, and it was so weird, right? Because I didn't know that it was a giveaway. I didn't know. I was just liking the picture on Instagram because I thought the artwork was dope. And too, when I follow people on Instagram, I actually like and comment and, interact with you on the app. But let's get into this. Shout out to artschooldropout _artschooldropout_. Keon, love it. Shout out to you, dude. Here goes the whoop, whoop. Here it goes. Whoop. Let's get into it. Do not fold. Like a knife that was just for opening up envelopes and stuff. I don't know where it's at.
How much do I love you, y'all?
This is an original print. Check it out. June 10th, 2018. Original print. Isn't that dope? So shout out to _artschooldropout_ Keon, love it. West side of the state of Michigan. Isn't that? So I'm gonna get this framed and put this up. This is dope. So yeah, looking forward to it. Shout out to him. His information will be in the description box below. _artschooldropout_. Here's the art. Let's get a thumbnail. And there we go.